I knew how bad off I was. I knew that I didn't love, I couldn't care, I was a cheater, deceitful, I was a liar. But I didn't know after I started talking about it how bad it was. So I'm here to help people.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Awesome. Go ahead, Sally.
Thanks. Well, it's a multi-level answer here. First of all, this week, every week I learn so much from my patients. This week, when you said the word shame, I usually hear the word guilt first. And I just, this was like a very important thing that I discovered this week, in that people say, I feel so guilty. I feel terrible. I can't do this. I feel guilty. And I look at them and I said, no, you feel shame. That's what you feel. So, when you hear the word guilt, it's better to look at it that way, because that's the turning point, I think, to help yourself. So your brain, you mean your brain as you're going through this and trying to get out of it?
Yeah.
Like I said, there's so many answers to that. First of all, very often it has to do with your childhood and how you think. We say, the narcissist or the sociopath or whomever we're dealing with is delusional, right? I think you're delusional too, going through this.
Yeah.
So there's a fog. I'm trying to use different terminology because, it does overlap, and we don't hear that a lot. We don't hear, codependent could be delusional, or, the person.
I agree.
Relationship. Yeah. So, you're thinking of this fantasy love affair, and, your brain is programmed. It's hard to get unprogrammed from that, because when you're thinking that way, it feels good. And not thinking that way, you literally think you're going to die, because you can't even fathom. It's either you feel great.